Hey guys, we're at Haverty'S today, picking out a new living room suite. Yes. Oh, you bringing it over? Okay. Let me see.
See it? See the difference. So on these, this is still protected, but
Yeah.
there is no covering. So if you have a little bit steel, or somebody sweating, that can get
This gonna
into
go
here.
through, yeah.
But on these, you have a covering on top of the deck
Okay.
that protects the foam, that keeps the moisture
It
away
keeps-
going into the original foam.
Okay.
And it's padded side, padded back, solid wood construction. It's a nice couch.
Mm-hmm. Like the-
100% polyester couch.
I like the tailored look on this one. How you feel to you as far as comfortability to you, and when you sit
They don't feel bad at all.
and it sits up high.
Another very important thing. So, if you look at the others, you'll feel it. The spring here is covered with the foam.
Mm-hmm.
So the spring, if the spring is just directly under the fabric, over time,
You could see it come through, and
It
it's
will
gonna
come
be
through.
like. Ding.
and so it protects the spring, and it's a better manufacturing construction. On top of that,
Mm-hmm.
it's very strong, very well made, no motion transfer. If I jump beside you on another seat, you won't feel it.
You won't move. Okay.
You won't notice it. These are the, specs of a good couch, the standard. Now some will be even better than this, like the one you liked, say $5,000. Those will have even more, like the back cushion will have feather, seat cushion will have a feather top
Feather.
and
yeah.
that feather bottom. Will have solid, clean, dry hardwood frame construction with a steel frame inside. So, the more sugar you put, the sweeter it will be.
Yeah.
But in terms of what you're spending on this, you get above standard in this line. This is a very
Okay.
good couch.
And you said this was made in the USA.
Yeah.
Do you have one that's set up that has the shades?
I'll show you.
So I can compare and see how that one looks. See, this one is a little lower, but I like the fact. You gonna sit there for a minute? Okay. I like this one too because I like it just seems like it's more.
It's a bigger frame.
Yeah, like I like the bigger frame. But what about the quality? But this shit's lower, right, than that one?
Little bit, not a lot. Very little. Now this is, say, 85 to 100. Little bit less in
Yeah.
terms of all
Okay.
the specs you have seen. Like you will not have the cover on the seat cushion here,
Okay.
but it will still be 3-channel, no motion transfer, solid wood frame construction.
Okay.
Very good frame. This is in fact a very strong frame because of the width of the seat cushion and the bulk of the collection.
Can you take these off as well, or no?
Yeah, everything
Okay. Everything comes off.
except one couch we have on the floor. Everything, seat cushion, back cushion, removable and reversible, machine washable. And we also have chase option in this collection.
2, 3, 4 seatings, 5 really.
These seats are so wide, you can have actually
Yeah,
sit in
two
one
people
cushion.
sit. That's what I like. I think the cushions over there is shorter, right?
Right.
Yeah. I like that. Let's see. I want to ask you another question. Do you carry cloth in the sectional recliners? Do they only come in leather or they come in
We
cloth
have
too?
some cloth, fabric option there. also.
Okay, so I'm gonna look at some of those as well before I make a decision.
And this is a chase, for example.
Okay.
You have that option. in that section.
Okay. Okay. Look there. And 2,000 for that one. Like this is six. Is this the one you say has like fur, like feathers?
This is all feather, yes. Seat cushion, back cushion,
Okay.
everything has feather filling. They also have all of them. The back cushion is feather filled.
These.
Yeah,
The
this
one I was
here.
looking to over there. Okay.
And I have one more collection here.
Okay.
I want you to see it because it's 3 inches deep. You have the back cushion full feather filled. The pillows, big pillows, full feather filled. The seat cushion has a feather topping. And if you want something like this and loungy.
Like, see, I like this, but I don't know. Yeah, I like the way it feels, but I think if we had like a lounge area, then that'll be fine, but not in the living.
Not in the living room.
Like, yeah, because we don't have, we live in a ranch home, so it's just kitchen,
Little bit dressed up.
living. Yeah. So we want something like casual, comfortable, but
Since you're on this side, you wanted to see some fabric recliner.
yes.
Let me show you a couple of the tabs. We'll go this way.
Look at the
I forgot your name if you don't mind.
Mildred.
No.
Uh-huh.
This is a fabric reclining collection.
Okay.
We only have this color in this collection.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
It's a very good fabric. It's microfiber.
Huh.
But the fabric is very, very good. Microfiber is very densely knitted. The advantage, like as you sit on dust or anything, it doesn't go into the fabric, into the foam. So it's very durable, very densely knitted. It's a very good fabric.
Another look at this one here. Can you throw that picture in for free?
I wish. I wish. That's a very nice picture.
I love
But
that picture.
That's too big for the room though.
No, no.
Rewind, rewind, rewind. Yeah, we hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now.
Hey guys, we decided to go with this one here. Yes. And this was the first one that we selected when we came to the store. I just really love this cutler. That's what they call it, a cutler. So we're praying that it fits into our space. Yes, but I love that. There's some beautiful pillows by ByNomis on there. That's what we're going with. Look at Babe over there. Being patient. Things, guys, when you come into Haverty'S and other furniture stores, look at their accessories because you can find nice things at reasonable cost as well. You'll pay a little more than when you go into TJ Maxx, but they have some unique pieces. Those are nice. Like that. Yep.